this time we're going to pick the car up from the workshop. It's been there for about 4 months now.
4 months.
My beard is impressive. It's ready. It's ready for the car. As you can see, there is no trailer this time because the car will be running. I'll need a permit to drive it because it's unregistered, but that's fine. Got to go to Vic Roads and sort out all the paperwork and stuff. And in a couple of seconds you'll see the car running. There we are. Back home. I promised it would be running in a few seconds. I had to put all the stock bits and pieces on, but soon enough I'll be doing the carbon fiber stuff. So it's all on and good, and everything's working. Oh. Alright. I drove this thing home. I've got a 28-day permit there in the window. I can drive this to the mechanic and back and that sort of thing. And, you know, get new tires and whatever else I got to get. And I am seriously one happy guy. It's probably about a good 100 odd kilometers to the mechanic, to Rajab's. And that was a fun drive home. That was one hell of a good fun drive home. So stay tuned.